Welcome to Alliance Door Engineering Training videos. In this video we will be installing our Series 25 fire shutter. Mark the flag section to correspond with the back of angles measurements indicated on the drawings. Mark the point at which the hole is to be drilled for the fixings. Then drill the fixing hole. This clip highlights exactly how the fixings should be fitted at the top of the pre-punched holes on the flag. Attach the flag with one fixing. Now measure the back of angles at the bottom and top to ensure they are positioned correctly as detailed in the drawing. Once happy, mark up and drill the remainder of the fixing holes. Attach the remainder of the fixings at the top of the pre-punched flag holes. Offer up the tube assembly. Ensure the brake is positioned correctly on the tube with the tab at the top as shown in the video. Now bolt into position. All fixings are provided for this. This clip shows how the M6 bolts are to be attached using a washer and nut. On the chain end, a special screw is inserted along with a washer and nut. Ensure the barrel is attached to the cup. Then attach and tighten all fixings appropriately. Ensure the micro switch is connected and ready to be attached to the motor. On the non-motor end, attach the internal end plates with the 10 fixings provided. They are 4 sections to attach. Ensure there is a clear space between the end plates and barrel. Once happy, make sure all fixings are tightened. Offer up the motor to the end plate and secure using the 3 bolts and spacers provided. This clip shows how the motor is connected to the end plate using the fixings. Now wrap the drive chain around the barrel gear and motor sprocket. Turn the barrel backwards to tighten the chain. Secure the chain together with the split link provided. Now tighten the chain as shown in the clip. Do not over-tighten and ensure there is a little slack in the top and bottom of the chain. This is required for inertial when the door drops under gravity. Attach the two internal end plates to the motor end. At this point you can also connect the micro switch from the brake to the motor. Open up the manual override to allow the chain to operate the barrel. Please refer to the motor manual to ensure this is done correctly and no damage is caused. Now rotate the barrel to the top position. Offer up the top section of lath from the rear of the barrel and bolt into position using the fixings provided. Using the chain, rotate the barrel to drop the top section down to enable the next section of lath to be installed. Open up the end locks to allow the next section of curtain to be fed into place. The video details the best way to achieve this. Open the shutter further to enable the next section of curtain to be added, using the method previously seen. Repeat this process until all the sections of curtain have been installed. Now raise the shutter using the chain override. This will enable you to slide the bottom of the curtain into the top of the guide and locate into position. Do this on both sides of the shutter. Now fully open the curtain to enable access to all of the fixing holes. Fix the guides into position using M8 countersunk guide screw provided. The video details the bolt is to be fed from the inside of the guide to the outside of the angle. Fix all of the M8 guide bolts into place. Place the canopy over the end plates, ensuring an even overlap each side. Now secure into position with the M10 bolts provided. The video details how to do this. Ensure all fixings are appropriately tightened. Complete this process across all of the fixing points. Ensure the canopy is also attached to the wall by drilling through the canopy top lip and securing in place as detailed in this clip. It's time to connect the motor. Wire and commission this following the instructions included with the motor. For the connection to the fire control panel, all wiring diagrams are available for all of our fire panels and activation equipment. Using the activation device, set the shutter limits in both directions. The video shows how to adjust the top and bottom limits. Fully operate the door into the open and closed position, making sure the door operates smoothly. Now activate the fire panel, full details in the wiring diagrams, to ensure the panel activates the shutter to close, when activated by the fire alarm system. Now test the solenoid mechanism to ensure it releases the brake and the shutter closes under gravity. Once all testing is complete, it's time to attach the motor cover. Ensure the override chain is fed into the motor cover and is not hanging down. This can be accessed anytime using the access panel. fix into position using rivets. Now attach the CE badge and you have completed the installation of our Series 25 fire shutter. Thank you for watching.